Hey, we're at Fluffy's. Sun is coming up over the hilltop, but not quite fully over. Temperature is a moderate 49 degrees. Water dish was dumped, rinsed out, refilled. She drank while I was filling it. Dry food dish had a couple of handfuls put in. She finished her chewable flea tick treatment, and she's eating the cat treats. And she's about done there. All gone. Time for breakfast. This morning we have Peacock and a Peahen up on the golden tree. I've not seen one up there before. Usually it's just the Peacock, but okay. They're probably best buds. And they're over there. And a closer shot. Don't know how well this will turn out because the sun is coming up over the hilltop, but for the moment, hoping that it doesn't wash things out. Peacock, Peahen, up in the golden tree at Whispering Hills Ranch. Okay, right across the street from the tree that has the Peahen and the Peacock in it. We're seeing the back side of them this time around. Just a short video. We'll decide later which one of my pictures I want to use for today's walk video, because it will probably be them. Well, we have two red-tailed hawks on redwood trees that are west of Poppy Lane condos. What a nice surprise. One is facing us and one has its back to us. By the size of the two birds, the bird on the right, who has its back to us, is the female, and the bird on the left is a male. The female of this species is about 25% larger than the males. Spotted towhee coming for a peanut half. Okay, so we got sparrows, mostly white crown, but I won't be surprised if a golden crown shows up. If we're lucky, the spotted towhee will come back for another peanut half, but he might not.
See coming out? Is the camera going? Yeah, CC has shown up this morning. Looks to be okay.
Okay, up on the antenna of a home that's near the entrance to Alvisa Adobe Park, in fact it's just the second house away, is an adult Cooper's hawk. He's going to take off, I think. No? Okay, just tucked his foot under. Okie dokies, well, it's up there. The Lutheran Church, and Collie, who wasn't here earlier, is here on our return trip. Jay is over putting down cat food and cat treats for her, and she's waiting. Hey, yep. Jay's walked away and she's heading over to the food after she makes sure that we're staying on the sidewalk. We are. Excellent. Good to see you, Collie. You have a great breakfast, and we'll see you the next time.
Spotted this coyote on the hillside of Whispering Hills Ranch. Kathy says there's a second. I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. Yes, indeed. And out of sight. What a morning.
We're back at Fluffy's area. A few scritches, and Jay's going to put down some cat treats. There you go. All gone, huh? Okay. Very good. Won't you eat it and... Nope. Okay. Come on, Sonny.